In our last video, we deployed nature's elite defense force to shield your skin. But to achieve true victory against aging, your fortress needs more than just a shield. It needs master engineers. Enter niacinamide, the master engineer of your skin's fortress. This powerhouse form of vitamin B3 works deep within to strengthen your barrier by boosting ceramide production, the essential mortar that holds your skin cells together. It also powers up your cellular energy and stimulates collagen synthesis. But every fortress requires regular maintenance. That's where Mandelic Acid comes in. Because of its large molecular size, this gentle renovation specialist slowly and safely clears away damaged surface cells without the irritation of harsher acids, revealing fresh, luminous skin. While powerful alone, their true genius is revealed when combined. This is the science of synergy. Mandelic acid gently clears the ground, and niacinamide immediately follows to rebuild, reinforce, and soothe. Together, they tackle hyperpigmentation and aging from multiple angles. Please like our video to support our channel and click the links in the description below to read the complete guide on how to build your ultimate skincare arsenal.